up, it is Simone here. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are working with Hairvivi. Okay, I've done so many videos with them. I always get questions about people asking me like, how do I keep my wigs glueless, secured? How do I keep my wigs to fit perfectly on my head? I usually just use two items, okay? One being a set of products and two, a headband. So the headband does all the work for you, right? Sometimes headbands can give you a headache. Like when I say a headache, you will feel the pain from it pulling in the back of your head. It can give you migraines. So with that, they created the piano keys elastic band. So for me, I'm already down for it because the whole point of the piano keys is to allow for more comfort. This kind of allows for more flexibility, less stress, less pain, less tension on the back of the hair. If the headband is too tight back here, it can actually cause a lot of breakage with it just rubbing against your hair. So I do like that it is very soft. You'll see that a lot of companies do use like the elastic that looks like this. Now elastic that looks like this can actually be a little bit painful. Well, for me it is. The bra hook thing that companies are doing, yeah, that's cool, whatever, but it doesn't allow for you to go as tight as you want to go or as loose as you want to go. So for me, I don't care for the bra strap type of elastic. Now where the name piano keys comes in is if you look at the side, 4 different placements, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can actually unhook this. So it pretty much allows for a more custom fit. Like okay, so now for the fun part. It is a 360 wig. They usually do a great job when it comes to their hair. They usually are spot on and get it well every time because this hair feels amazing and it looks really good. Okay, here's what they did improve, because before they used to have their wefts come all the way right here and I'm like, bro, I can't even put my hair half up if I want to. Now they've actually, it's literally all lace right here. Like this is actually really good. First things first is I want to go ahead and, you guys know, cut the lace. Okay guys, all right, so I'm gonna do my spray technique. Spray technique works wonders, is amazing, super easy, super simple. Anybody could do it and follow along. I wanted to talk about something in this video today, and what I do want to talk about is, did you guys watch Insecure? Like, first of all, I waited so long for this season to start, but what did you think? I don't think Issa should, like, I don't know, Issa's, she good, because I couldn't work with no girl that now with Lawrence. And is it just me, or did Lawrence get skinnier? So hyped for the rest of the weeks, and Molly's mouth is always on 1,000, and I wish they would make her character more realistic. Like, I feel like she should be talking up a little bit more. Like, if you like the guy, say you like the guy. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the black paper off. To style this. Okay, so now what I want to do is I actually want to go in and just hot comb my part nice and flat. You guys, I've been trying out this pink lip color, like pink purple combo, and I think I actually really like it, which is really weird because I don't do color on anywhere of my lips, but lately I have been and I love it. I'm watching this new show on Netflix called Too Hot to Handle, and episode 4, I just had to roll my eyes really quick. go ahead and just create a few layers with this. I'm gonna take my scissors, take 2 pieces, hold it underneath my chin, and make sure it's like that, not like held tightly, and then just like kind of little by little go down. And that's it. Not a lot of layers, just a little bit of layers.